1983 C10 truck. President of the Chevy Boys of Houston. Hope y'all enjoy the video of my truck. Thank you.
Yeah. Ay. Yeah. Ay. Yeah. Boys. Yeah. Hold on, hold on. Hold on. We them boys. Hold on. We them boys. Hold on, hold on, hold on. We making noise. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on. We them boys. Hold on. We them boys. Hold on, hold on, hold on. We making noise. Hold on. Hold on. We them boys.
Yeah, my name is Marcus. We want to thank everybody for coming out to 713 Day, and we hoping this will be a very, very successful event. And we want to thank Creative Energy for coming out and shooting all the footage for us, and keep us going, man.
Okay, what annual is this? A specific annual or?
This right here is gonna be the first one, but we're gonna make it an annual day, 713 Day.
Okay, that's good enough. Tell everybody your name.
Marcus, Law.
Okay, the Chevy Boys.
Chevy Boys of Houston.
All right.
Hold on, hold on, hold up. Pop a bottle. Hold on, hold on, hold up. If you suck and swallow. Smell that marijuana, they gon' follow. Throwing money on her like she want.
Hello everybody, come out and bring kids. We have hot dogs, chili dogs with chips, soda, $5. And we also have pickles. Come on out and get some.
Okay, what's the name of this event? What's going on out here?
This is the Chevy Boys Park Club.
All right.
Yeah, show it out. Show it out.
All right, the Chevy Boys. All right,
No, I ain't got no boobies.
yeah. Oh, okay, Dirty Red. All right. What's going on, man? Creative Images, man.
What's going on, man?
What's going on out here?
Car show, man, for the Chevy Boys.
All right, dude. So what you doing over here? What's going?
We got turkey legs, got boudin.
Show them what you got, man.
Turkey legs, boudin right here. We got chicken. We doing it up, baby. Show up and show our boys over here.
Oh yeah.
What's going on? Shout out to all the Chevy Boys of Houston.
All right, all right. How you doing, ma'am?
Good. Out here chilling, enjoying the sun and the heat.
Oh yeah. It's pretty hot out here, huh?
It's very hot.
And they still out there.
Yeah.
Everybody out there.
Pussy must be serious. Hold up, scared of heights, come face your fears. Hold up, hold up. Do it just like Nikki, gone and bend it over. Say she never smoked, I turned her to a stoner. Smoking now. Young nigga, but I'm ready. Oh, foreign girls call me sexy. Hey.
Hey man, my name Rookie, man. They call me Rookie. I'm out here with my boy Banana Man out here rolling out here with the car show Nate and them rolling with, you know.
Yeah.
I'm bringing a 2007 vet out here just to show it off a little bit.
All right, all right. Well, that tight there, man.
Okay,
What's going on, brother?
What's happening, everybody? Banana. You know me from the little lime green, mint green, and dark green truck. Man. I'm down with my boy Nate, just supporting him, man. Invite my old buddy Rook out.
Oh yeah.
Bring his vet out and show some things. I got my old school colors in the back, just in case you want to tilt back there and see what he look like.
All right.
White girls give me Becky, but first I gotta roll this joint, baby. Hold up, hold up, we them boys. Hold up, we them boys. Hold up, hold up.
How you doing, sir?
I'm doing pretty good. How about yourself?
All right. What's going on out here?
Not much, just a couple of giveaways. I'll put it out.
Oh yeah. Oh, you're giving away.
Yeah, we're giving out some odds, pants, a booklet about the wheels and all of that we offer.
Oh yeah.
A business card if you want to
That's
Okay.
yeah.
What's your business name?
USA Tire and Wheel.
Oh, USA Tire and Wheel.
Yeah, it's
That
me
is
right there. Yeah, I have it on the back of my truck.
Oh yeah. All right. And where y'all located, sir?
We have a few locations. The main one is right there in Humble, Texas.
Okay.
Yeah, 281-441 Tire. That's the main number. So if you guys need anything, just let us know.
Okay. Now you said you had some trucks out there.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I brought a couple of my trucks. I actually brought 4 trucks. I have a 2014 that we just finished doing the drop, and then we have a 2006 F250. We lifted the truck.
Okay.
Did a
Okay.
15-inch lift kit.
Okay. I'm gonna go check them out.
Yeah, appreciate it.
All
Thank
right.
you.
What's going on, brother?
Ain't nothing, man. Out here at the car show 713 day. Fat Pat, man. Who's next in the hive? Me and my wife are watching. Out here barbecuing, jambalaya, link sandwiches, hamburgers, baby. That's all we doing.
Okay. Pop the top. Let me see what you got. Oh yeah. That's what's up. That's what's up.
Look at that jambalaya. Getting ready to do that jambalaya. Jambalaya getting started, man.
Yeah, check. Why y'all my damn DJ boo? No wait. One band, one song. Here we go. Check. We got creative images out here, y'all, doing videos and pictures, y'all. I let my boy right here with the camera, y'all.
Hey,
What's up?
we out here getting down. Chevy boys in Houston. Doing these lemon pepper chicken wings. Lemon pepper my wings, baby.
We making noise, holla. Holla, 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 holla. Holla, we them boys. Holla, we them boys. Holla, holla, holla. We making noise, holla. Holla, we them boys.
Oh my gosh, that was amazing.
Holla, holla, holla. You drive me crazy. Number one, bitch, you can't replace me. Leader Clyde, these hoes be trying to chase me. You got an ass so fat, let's make a baby. Damn, I'm smoking weed in my Mercedes. Hold up, these niggas broke, these niggas lazy. Man, they money slim, they acting shady. I'm in my brand new car, who wanna race? Oh, bitch, you ain't call my phone, so why you showing up?
What's going on over here?
We serving fish plates, fish and fries, $10.
How you doing, ma'am? Creative Images. What's going on right here?
New Orleans style snowball, no cones.
Oh yeah. What's the name of your business?
R&B ice.
Huh?
R&B ice.
R&B Ice. Okay. What's going on out here today?
Car show. We got a car show going on out here today.
Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. I appreciate it.
I'm taking them shots on my niggas, they loaded up. Man on the low, all these hoes be acting so material. Hold up, man, did you see her interior? Hold up, we them boys. Hold up, we them boys. Hold up, hold up, we making noise. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. Hold up, we them boys. Hold up, we them boys. Hold up, hold up, we making noise. Hold up, hold up, we them boys.
Turn up.
Mike Wilmer.
We gon' always get money, man. Young Jeezy, Big Sean, Juicy J. Ball shit, nigga. Let's get it. Every time I go out, you know I got show out. Every time I go out, you know I bring that dough out.
What's going on, bro?
I'm doing well, man. How's it going, Doc?
All right. What you working with?
65 2002, Baytown, Texas.
Every time they go out, you know they bring that hoe out. Every time I go out, you know I bring that flow out. Every time I go out, you know I got a few hoes. One night, 2 shows, that's 2 matches and a team expansion. Thumbing through a check, got me sweating and panting. When you get money, chicks come around. Niggas start hating who's holding you down. All this ice, I'm just living the life. Bad bitch want me, give me head like lice. Hit club, live in a rush. Pocket so swole, I think they finna bust. Ace in my hand and a 45 tuck. Money coming down, codeine pouring up. Smoking on some dope, I was on the float. 20 years in, niggas call me to go. Money adding up, you haters going broke. Still in the game while you niggas riding oak. See me showing out, they mugging, I don't give a fuck. How I start my morning off a zip and a double cup. Hating ass niggas got behind me. Ball so hard they wanna find me. Juicy J, Taylor gang, I've been rich since the 90s. Every time I go out, you know I got to show out. Every time I go out, you know I bring the dough out. Every time they go out, you know they bring the hoe out. Every time I go out, you know I bring the flow out. Every time I go out, you know I got to show out. Every time I go out, you know I got to show out. Every time I go out, you know I got to show out. Every time I go out, you know I got to show out.
Got old 2-vet original. 51,000 miles.
51,000, yeah?
Inside and outside, don't see the road.
Yeah.
Yep, original paint job. Only thing different in my car, the tires, and that's it, and the battery.
What'd you say?
Only thing in my car different is the tires and the battery. Everything is original.
Oh, okay.
Paint job and all.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
How you doing, ma'am? Just for the DVD, just say what's going on. I'm gonna edit it anyway.
Well, I have to make sure I'm cute though.
Yeah, you are. Go ahead and tell me. That's why you're on the camera.
Okay. Okay. So what would you like to know? The purpose
What's going on right here?
The purpose of this event is pretty much to get the community together, give back a little bit. It's 713 Day, you know, this is the local area code for this area. And just show off the customized vehicles, you know. That's pretty much it.
Okay. Now what's your name?
My name is Christian. So hit us up. My number is 832-434-5800. You can visit us at unique-interactions.com.
And what was the number again?
832-434-5800.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Stacking paper like old folks. You still staying with your old folks. She a fan, that's fantastic. Poppin' Zannies, that's fantastic. Getting rich, fantastic. White girls like Anne Hathaway going way out they way for my bandwagon. She let me bang and I ain't got a bandana.
But we're at the car show and the bike show, so everyone have fun and keep cool.
All right, what's your name?
My name is Miss Kitty, and I'm with Hardcore Riders of Houston, the first lady.
Okay, turn around. Let me see the back of you.
Mama don't take no mess. Now she got hectic.
What you got here?
That man right there. I'm just.
You just doing what now?
I'm just chilling.
Oh, you just chilling. What man car it is?
Man right there on that end.
Oh yeah, this one here in the suit or this one? This one. Oh, okay. What's going on, man? Tell me a little something about your morning, about your ride.
It's a mug machine.
It's a mug machine? All right, how you doing, mama? All right. What brought you out here today, mama?
My brother-in-law car show.
The brother-in-law car show. Tell everybody the name of the car show. Chevy.
Chevy. All I know is Chevy.
All you know is Chevy.
I'm Chevy Boys of Houston. There you go. Boys of Houston.
All right,
Chevy girls.
Yeah. All right. You one of the Chevy girls? Oh.
I'm a Chevy girl.
You wait. What you say? You Chevy girl?
I'm a Chevy girl.
Oh, hey, yeah. What's your name?
Geraldine.
Geraldine. Okay then.
She a black girl.
Wait. Somebody say something. What you say?
She a black girl.
He said you a black girl.
I am a Chevy girl.
Oh, that one here?
What?
He say he a lack girl. Come take a picture by the lack right quick. You gonna be on the DVD. What bring you out here today, man?
Folks throwing this little get together. I got that on YouTube. It's out there looking good.
Oh yeah, come on over here by it right quick. Gonna tell about it.
H-Town, holding it down, H-Town. We do that all day now, every day.
Every day, all day.
All day. We keeping it, this family here, we in the family retention.
All right. And tell them a little something about your wife, man.
Man, hard work and sweat, man. H-Time, hold it down. You know, we do it big out here.
Yeah. Pop this collar and everything.
Yeah, all that.
Say something about it, mama. All right.
How you doing?
I'm doing all right. How you been doing?
I've been doing great.
What's your name?
Janice.
Oh yeah, what brought you out here today?
I don't know, just somebody told me about it.
Somebody told you about it, so you came out here? Oh, okay.
You record me?
I'm recording you. All right. How you doing, man? What brought you out? What brought you out here, mama?
My friend invited me.
Oh yeah?
I invited me.
Oh, okay. That's good. Good. All
See what
right.
y'all got going on out here.
Oh yeah. All right. Y'all looking nice tonight.
Thank you.
All right. Hey, what's going on, man? What's happening out here today, man?
Everybody just chilling, riding his bike, showing off everything.
Hey, what they call you, man?
Shit, they call me T-Baby.
Oh, yeah?
This is my president right here, Anthony.
What's going on, brother?
All right. Hardcore in the house. So, President here. Shouting out to everybody and everybody else. Come on over here, T-Baby. My number one nigga right here. You don't get no business, so you know what I'm saying? Yeah, you just don't fun us, and that's all right.
T-Baby, this your bike right here?
That's my bike, and that's my old lady.
Oh, yeah, that's, oh, you his old lady? Oh, okay then.
So.
How you doing?
I'm all right.
All right.
I ain't old, but I am a lady.
Yeah. What's going on, man? Tell me a little something about it, man.
Hot fish and fries, that's all it is, baby.
Hot fish and fries.
On that wok pot, hot fish and fries, on best in the South.
Man, that show looks good.
Yes, sir. Getting it ready.
All right, bro, man.
Thank you, bro.
Freaky, that's just how I move. Fast girls, fast money, no more fast food. Came up, first class, my passport getting tattooed. Young ass player doing everything that I have to. So every time I go out, you know I gotta show out. Every time I go out, you know I bring the dough out. Every time they go out, you know they bring their hoe out. Every time I go out, you know I bring the flow out. Every time I go out, you know I gotta show out. Every time I go out, you know I gotta show out. Every time I go out, you know I gotta show out. Every time I go out, you know I gotta show out. I got some bad bitches with me. Say they like Rihanna, love Whitney. She say, how many bottles do you want? I told her 50.
Nate, this car show is live, bro. This car show is just too live.
What you think about it, man? What else you think about it other than being live?
Look at all the cars, look at all the food, the vendors, you gotta love it. We just out here in H-Town, a good sunny day. Everybody showing up and showing out. That's all I gotta say.
Hey, what they call you, brother?
They call me Young Mac, H-Town, Texas.
All right.
We having a car show out here on the north side of town on